But again, there are a few rules to it that most people don't talk about and most people don't follow. So most people don't get the proper results. Hi guys, I'm Priyam again from For Humans, and in this video, as we promised, we'll be discussing an activity that can lead us to come out of our heads, right? And you might have guessed already from my background what that activity is. And yes, it is to chill out in nature, right? But again, there are a few rules to it that most people don't talk about and most people don't follow. So most people don't get the proper results. And what are the rules? So there are two rules to it. One, you don't want to hang out with people when you're hanging out in nature, right? I mean, like, you can hang out with people, but you should have a fixed amount of time where you are only with yourself, right? And second rule is, and this is the most important one, is you don't want to be with your cell phone either, right? Now, why don't you want to be with your cell phone? Because if you're with a cell phone, then you're with your Facebook account, Insta account, and you're with your all social media accounts, which we don't want. Why don't we want that? We don't want it because we want to be completely with ourselves, with our thoughts that we're having, right? And we want to know why we are having the thoughts, right? And with time, we want to practice to not react to our thoughts, but just be aware that, okay, we are having this thought, right? So we can watch it, we can let go of it, it can come and pass by. But with time, well, this is a practice basically to not react to our thoughts, not get anxious. Oh my God, what's going to happen now, right? And make it a daily practice of at least spending 15 minutes, right? What I do, I spend half an hour at least, right? And I prefer my roof so people don't bother me with it. And what I do it basically during the time of sunset. And you should also be like making sure that you're doing it in the time of sunset, because there's a scientific reason why you should be spending time in open when it's sunset or sunrise, right? So with that said, guys, try it for at least a week, and let me know in the comments again, how did it go. With that said, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, do well.